Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Vegan Vibes here on More with E Mondays. It's your girl E, ready to give you another quick and easy recipe that is very popular. So let's get to it. So today I will be showing you how to whip up some vegan cheese. Last week I showed you how to make some sour cream, and now it's time to show all of my cheese lovers this easy recipe. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need is some coconut milk, nutritional yeast, tapioca flour, onion powder, Himalayan salt, smoked paprika, and garlic. Next, we will place all of our ingredients inside of a pan by placing 1/3 cup of coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of smoked paprika. Then we'll take our whisk and stir all of the ingredients thoroughly. Next, turn the stove on to a medium-high temperature until the cheese starts to boil. Then continue to stir until it smoothens. Voila! That's how you make vegan cheese. Now this is great for nachos, tacos, burritos, or whatever you love putting cheese on. It's very tasty and also very creamy. Don't take my word for it, just try it yourself and see. And thanks for tuning in. So, for more recipes like this, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page at More with E, so you can catch me next week here on More with E Mondays on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E. I'm out.